Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a new laptop. This is from Microsoft and which called Surface Laptop Studio. This is really good laptop. You can do many configuration. You can keep it like this. You can use as a laptop itself. You see it's on a standing position. It becomes a laptop. Or you can make it like a studio, or which is basically we can say tablet. You can put it here, and this is a very good. I really like it. This is very convenient. Use as a laptop or use as a tablet. So I thought I should share with you. I'm going to show you real quick unboxing. So let's get started. I'll open it. This is new Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. Laptop Studio. It comes with user manual. Please read through. This is the cable. We're going to open it. It's automatically started. It's all started. Skip through. For the video purposes, I'm going to sign in. So it's getting connected to my Wi-Fi. And once it's connected to Sidhu Residence, and I will check for update. We're almost done with the updates and we will restart it. Now we are on a welcome screen. We read through the license agreement. We're going to accept it. At the first time, it takes some time. This one has a really good camera. It's a really fast CPU. This can be your gaming laptop. This is really cool. Has many features. I'm not going to go into details. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. And this wanted to show you as I found this laptop is really convenient. A tablet, you can make it. And it's also touch screen. And you can use as a laptop. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye. Very clear. I really like it.
It's